PAX Gold is set to gain 4.7% by June 20, based on Gov Capital Collector. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. PAX Gold has moved down 3.5% in the last day and is currently near $4,148.20. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. CoinDataFlow says we might see $4,091.11 by June 20, down roughly 1.4%. Digital coin price sees PAX Gold heading upward to $4,158.63, an estimated gain of 0.3%. According to CoinCodex, it could strengthen toward $4,180.60, an upward move of 0.8%. A different outlook from Gov Capital Collector expects PAX Gold could advance to $4,341.57, a rise estimated near 4.7%. And in closing, crypto predictions highlights a rise to $4,464.50 by tomorrow with a 7.6% gain. This is the most profitable forecast reviewed. All 5 forecasts are in. Let's go further into the picture. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a drop of 1.4% to a gain of 7.6%. The final takeaway is that crypto predictions expects the top return with 7.6% gain in value by June 20. As a result, you might end up with between $3 and $76 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, digital coin prices forecast stands in first place with a 71.2% chance of success. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. Consensus levels highlight PAX Gold around $4,247.28. Now, let's go through the numbers. Consensus calculations suggest a 2.4% price increase by tomorrow. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $24 of upside. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 46.4%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. CoinDataFlow indicates that prices could dip further. An upward push is signaled by digital coin price. For the next few days, CoinCodex believes the market will stay stable, with volatility contained. For the next few days, Gov Capital Collector expects PAX Gold to strengthen. Similarly, Crypto Predictions anticipates the price gaining in the coming days. Taking into account the full range of analyst opinions, the consensus signals an upward path for PAX Gold across this 3-day horizon. Taken together, most analysts expect PAX Gold to move higher. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. In the end, the trading session closed at $4,182.40. The outcome showed that the majority of forecasts were correct about the direction. On the accuracy side, digital coin price had the leading forecast. Let's put everything in order. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and crypto predictions reached 3.1%, the highest among them. Moving on to the performance summary, a clear way to compare how each analyst did. Across the results, 30 rates recorded $190.60 accuracy, 58.7% forecast probability, and minus 3.1% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Here's how analysts expect the different cryptocurrencies to perform tomorrow compared to PAX Gold. In this ranking, PAX Gold below the leader as Kaspa holds 3.9% expected performance. At this stage, PAX Gold is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. Enjoyed the breakdown? Give it a like and make sure you're subscribed for tomorrow's update. Catch you later.